Welcome once again, and thanks for joining us to learn more about JDE. This video refers to a section of the guide IoT Complete Reference, which tells us how to schedule a UBE using JDE Orchestrator. Sometimes jobs have to be submitted at non-peak times, the middle of the night, or specific times when no one is around to submit manually. Orchestrator helps us with this. In the guide, we see listed the steps to schedule a UBE. Create a service request, create schedule, create orchestration, create notification, subscribe notification, and start the schedule. First thing to note is that you must use a separate ID to schedule a job. Here we're using the ID schedule. Otherwise, we won't be able to see that the ID schedule ran the job. Also be sure to add this ID to the admin service allowed user list in the AIS server. This enables us to use this ID to schedule the job. Okay, let's create a service request. We first log into Orchestrator Studio, click Service Request, then create a service request, and then click Report and enter the info into the report. Enter the service request name and description, and then select a product code. We'll select 55 and then put in the report name, R0010P. Select the version. And then you can do data selection if you want, or data sequencing, processing options. And then we select the queue name and then save. Now we need to create a schedule in order to run this report every day. So let's click schedules and then new schedule. And then we're going to have to provide some information here. So we're going to give it a schedule name. We'll call it every day. And paste in the description here, and then we're going to select a product code. Let's select 56, and then we're going to select days and once every day, and then save. Next step is to create an orchestration. So let's exit out of here, and then we'll click the home page, and then we'll select orchestrations and then new orchestration, and then we'll paste in the orchestration name and description, and then select a product code, go 55, click add orchestration steps, select service request as a type of setup, then from this tilde select the orchestration name, and then select the schedule so that it will run every day. And last but not least, click the save button, and then click orchestrations again, and here we see the orchestration which is attached to the schedule, which is attached to the service request. So click new notification and paste in the name if it's on your clipboard, select the product code, we'll take 56, and for the type select orchestration, and then select the orchestration name, and then in the schedule select every day. That was your schedule. So everything is done, so click save and then click the test button and then click execute, and here you say we have a job number 80. Looks like it ran successfully. Now let's go into WSJ, and here we see a job number 80 and a status of done. Now let's go to my subscription and add subscription, then select R0010P, and here you see that you can deliver the results in different ways. Notification list, work center, email. We're going to use the notification list and click save. To run this every day, we click start scheduler, enter the information from the guide, and click send. It shows scheduler started. Now go to start schedule jobs to start them using this REST API and the info supplied in the guide, and click send, and you see here that R0010P has been scheduled to run every day. We can also test this using the Orchestrator client. So log into Enterprise One, select the orchestration, and click run. This will execute it, and you can see job number 83 was submitted by orchestration. If you recall, we set up notifications, and here you see it. So give the bell a click and see what it is. If we had used email instead, the email address you use would have received an email notification. So there you have it. This is the beauty of Orchestrator, Scheduler, and Notification working together. This is only a very small section of the guide, Orchestrator Studio Complete Reference. To obtain a copy of this guide, send a request to info@restfulclouds.com or in the comments section of this YouTube video. The guide sells for $499 USD. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.